What is going on, my goblin noise? It's your boy back in the house in the Goblin Cave, Spooky G. And this is Saturday, man. Last night was Friday. I gave you that Anabolic barbecue chicken pizza that was fire. And today, since it's a weekend, I got something even more anabolic for you. So check this out. Your kids are throwing a fit, your wife has been nagging you all week, you're in the mood to eat some ice cream or some brownies or something like that, but you don't want all those calories that are coming with it. Well, what if I gave you an option to where you can still have those brownies without all those calories? Well, if that's something you're interested in, stay right here in the Goblin Cave, because I'm about to show you what you can do where you can have your cake and eat it too. Yeah, let's get this done, y'all. Okay guys, first off, thanks for coming back to the Goblin Kitchen, Goblin Cave. I'm going to start one by one with the ingredients you're going to need to make your protein brownie bites. First up, plain old all-purpose white flour. Mix up 100% can of pure pumpkin. Don't be scared of the pumpkin. No, it's not close to Halloween yet. It still tastes good. Trust me. PB2 fit powder. Fat-free cream cheese. Well, that's about a third of that because that's all I could find. Some vanilla extract. Some baking powder. Some unsweetened baking cocoa, your choice sugar substitutes. Now I know some people will have some issues with this, and you can use whatever sugar replacement that you like. I just choose to use Splenda because I've been using it for a while and it's never given me any issues. Besides this hair that keeps on growing on my arm, I don't know what that's about, but that's beside the point. It still tastes good and it's helping me lose weight. Some cooking spray of some kind. And some protein powder. This is chocolate peanut butter, which is going to have even more flavor to these brownies. Trust me, you're going to love them. Now from the cold side of things, some liquid egg whites. And this is going to be the key, y'all. Watch this. Mott's. No sugar added. Granny Smith applesauce. 1 cup. I love that name, Mott's. It reminds me of like some old lady that used to live down the street or something. Now for equipment, you are going to need Mr. Muffin Pan, a good sized mixing bowl, food scale. Trust me guys, get y'all a food scale. They're not that expensive and they're going to let you know what you are putting in your body every day. And then from up top here, I got your standard whisk. And a rubber spat. Now next thing we're going to have to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees on bake. See that? See where it says 350? See, mine kind of has this timer thing on it to where it'll let me know when it's done preheating, which is really nice. Hey guys, we got all all of our ingredients in the bowl here. And what I have in here, I got 30 grams of flour, 31 grams of protein powder, 92 grams of liquid egg white, 120 grams of the pure pumpkin. Like I said, don't be afraid of that pumpkin. I got about 2 dashes of the vanilla extract. I got 10 grams of the PB2 fit powder. Like I already said, I got the egg whites in there. I got 2 teaspoons of the baking powder, not soda powder. Don't do like I did last time and put freaking baking powder. Trust me, you don't want baking soda. You want the baking powder. But I got 30 grams of the splendid sweetener in here. I'm pretty sure that's it. If I'm missing anything, I apologize. But once everything's in here, just start giving her a whisk, y'all. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Oh yeah, I got 1 cup of Mrs. Mott's no sugar added applesauce. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. There is nothing better than mixing up some brownies on a Saturday. Whether you live by yourself like I do in the Goblin Cave, or you got a family at home, you can make as many of these as you want and you won't feel bad about doing it. Now that is about the consistency that you're going for here. I got about just a pinch of salt in here too, by the way, just give a little bit of that saltiness flavor to it. Now, once you have it like that, I got Mr. Muffin Pan here. Mr. Muffin. I got my cooking spray here. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all that cooking spray you need. And when you make it, you can do this. Oh my word. That is freaking amazing, y'all. When you make your own food and you live by yourself, you can do stuff like liquid whisk. And then you just kind of go in and fill up your little baking sheet here. All nice and pretty. Brownies are gonna make you wanna slap your granny. Like, Granny, how come you never made me anything that tasted this good or was this healthy? Why we always have to use food or artifact in every damn thing? Why we have to grow up in the South where every Sunday dinner was like trying to change the oil in the car? Why, Granny? These are so good and fluffy. It tastes just like you used to make, but only healthier. Oh, Mrs. Spots, how could you? But anyway, let me do a little rim job on this pan here. Get a little cleanup going because I am shooting a video. Now you don't have to do this, but I like to make it look pretty. I like my women any other kind of way. They don't necessarily have to be pretty because everybody's pretty in some way or another. But I do like my food pretty though. And now I clean that up. I got them in the pan and made a perfect half-baker dozen here. Now they are going on into the oven. 3, 2, 1, guys, in she goes. Remember, step back from the oven anytime you're putting something in there, because you don't want that heat to come out and burn your face, especially if it's been preheated. So we have her in there, close up the door, guys, I almost forgot the most important part. I know everybody came here for the icing, so let's not skip that part. While the brownies are baking, go ahead and get your icing and get it to work, okay? Start it working. Now, first thing, I got my food scale, got my bowl, got my fat-free cream cheese, third less fat cream cheese in this case. I'm gonna go in and do 30 grams. Dump it right in the bowl. Bloop. About half of that. There we go. 30 grams of the fat-free cream cheese. 15 grams of protein powder. Next up is my favorite part, sugar-free light Hershey chocolate syrup. Grams, y'all. Oh, look, that reminds me of the puppy. Go ahead and put that back. Put the cream cheese back. On the temperature of your cream cheese, probably gonna have to work with it just a little bit, but that's okay, man. She's gonna be worth it. Just like that girl that you dated at a late night Saturday night in the club, she's gonna take a little work, man, but she's gonna be worth it. Man, I miss those days. I haven't been out for a while, a long while. Of course, none of the places I go are around anymore, so there's that. And I just don't trust going out these days. That's why we stay inside of the goblin cave and living that anabolic lifestyle, y'all. Trying to get in shape, live our best life. Hey, man, that's all we can do right now, right? Like I said, she's going to be take a little bit to work with, but I think I about got her. And the brownies are just about done too. Got about 5 minutes on them. But once you get everything in there, y'all, that is a consistency you are looking for. Oh my goodness. Say it with me, y'all. Anabolic icing. I knew you could do it. This is my steaks here. Man, oh man, I wish you guys were here right now and could smell these freaking brownies and how amazing they smell. We're about to go strap on the old bib and give these a day in court. So stay right there, don't go nowhere. Let's get to it, y'all, because I'm dying to try one of these. Hey guys, I'm not going to lie to you. Trying to cook and record at the same time is no easy task, but here is the fruit of our labor. Look at that, man, and check this out. We're going to go in here, get a little bit of this, just a little bit. We're going to spread her on here. Now there's a moment of truth, y'all. This is what I've been waiting all day. I'm gonna give this a try. Cheers. 1, 2, 3. Let's get this. That is pimping. That's anabolic pimping, y'all. That is what we do around here. We take things to the next level. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. When I tell you guys the macros, it is gonna flip your shit. So, check this out, y'all. I can hear what you guys are saying, but Spooky, Mr. G, what good is it to make these brownies if they ain't gonna be healthy? But this is how this is anabolic pimping, y'all. Ready for this? Each one of these brownies, 92 calories, 92, half a gram of fat, 11 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs. That is anabolic pimping, because that is what I do, y'all. I do it with the best of them. I do it with the culinary background. I'm glad you guys decided to come here and check this out. I hope you enjoy this recipe, y'all. Please, I want to see y'all out here making this stuff just like I am, man. I want to get everybody eating what they love in a healthier, better way, y'all. That's what it's all about. Trying to be a little bit better than last time. So y'all, this is Saturday. I'm getting out of here. I got this thumbnail that I still gotta make, so I hope you guys are having a terrific weekend out there. And remember, live to play to live, just play. I'm your boy Spooky G, Spooky Goblin. This is the Goblin Kitchen in the Goblin Cave. Until next time, y'all. Bye.